Dear students, welcome to Social Science class. Today we will discuss about chapter 12, part 2, India and its neighbors. Today we will discuss only about hemisphere, latitude and longitude. Students, now we are moving to learn about hemisphere. What do you mean by hemisphere? Can you answer? The dictionary meaning of hemisphere is a half of a sphere. That means the earth is divided into two and the half of the earth is known as hemisphere. A half of the earth usually is divided into northern and southern halves by the equator, or into western and eastern halves by an imaginary line passing through the poles. It is known as hemisphere. Students, for the better understanding, the geographers are divided the earth into two, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So the equator, the imaginary line passing through the middle of the earth, that line is divided the earth into two parts. Now all of you look at the map and you can see the equator. It is marked in red color, and look at the northern hemisphere. You can see our country India is located the northern hemisphere, just right side of Africa. You can see our country. Students, now we are going to learn about latitude and longitude. What is latitude? Can you answer? What do you mean by latitude? All of you look at the map. You can see there are two columns and poles out there. Latitude means geography. Latitude is the imaginary circular lines parallel to the equator running east-west around the globe are called latitude. Students, you can see in the map which line. The line is passing through the equator. It is parallel to the equator running east-west around the globe. Look at the map. You can see here red arrow mark is there. This line is known as latitude. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree at the poles. From the equator, it starts from 0 degree, both sides, from the equator to North Pole or from the equator to South Pole. The latitude starting from 0 to 90 degree to the each poles. You can see the right side of the map from the down, the border side of India, the Kerala Tamil Nadu border at the end. From that to the upside, the north side, Jammu and Kashmir, up to the border of Jammu and Kashmir, the line is going on that. This line we are considering our India. Our India is located the northern hemisphere. The mainland extended between latitudes 8 degree 4 and 37 degree 6 north. You can see the right side of the map. It is mentioned here from the down to upside of the map. You can see very clearly the latitude, the degrees are mentioned there. I think you got the point about latitude. Now we can move to longitude. What is longitude? In geography, longitude is the imaginary semicircular lines joining the North Pole and the South Pole are called longitude. That means from the North Pole to South Pole, there is line, semicircular lines are going. It will start from North Pole and it will join only in the South Pole. We can see the map. Look at the map and see the arrow mark. This line is known as longitude line. Students, look at the top of the map. The northern side. We can see 68 degree 7 and 97 degree 25 east. This is known as longitude. Students, I hope you got the point about longitude. Students, the mainland latitude of our country 8 degree 4 south. The starting from the south, it will start from 8 degree 4 on the north side, the Jammu and Kashmir, that side it will 37 degree 6 and the mainland longitude 68 degree 7 from the west side north and to 97 degree 25 east. The north to south, the distance 3214 kilometer latitude and 2933 kilometer from the east to west longitude. That means from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, from east side to west side, the kilometer is 2933 kilometer. And the total border side, the distance kilometer of our country border is 15,200 kilometer. Now we can move to Andaman Nicobar Island. Students, look at the map. The right side of India, we can see Andaman Nicobar Island. The capital is Port Blair. The total length of the coastal or coastline of the mainland of this Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands is 7,516 kilometer. The total distance is 7,516 kilometer. The coastal side distance. Students, as we learned before, our India has 8 neighboring countries. They are China, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. With the different religions being practiced in India, it has become a commonplace for all religions. Students, our India people are believing different religions as their beliefs. After independence, India has established diplomatic relations with almost all the countries of the world, including her neighbors. Our India keeping a very good relationship with all the neighboring countries and all over the world. Students, I hope you all are understood the chapter, and I will attach the soft copy of chapter in this session, and you can go through this and learn it.